If you've ever stepped foot in the vibrant city of Amsterdam, you'll know that it's a place brimming with charm, canals, and a whole lot of walking. One of the questions I often hear is, what is the most walkable part of Amsterdam? Well, I get it. You want to soak up the city's atmosphere without the hassle of figuring out complicated transportation. Let me guide you through this. The Canal Belt. Imagine picturesque canals lined with beautiful houses, cafes, and little boutiques. That's the Canal Belt for you. It's like walking through a painting. Start from the Haringgracht and make your way down. Every turn is a new photo opportunity. Jordaan. This area is a treasure trove of narrow lanes, indie boutiques, and cozy cafes. It's the kind of place where you can stroll aimlessly and stumble upon hidden gems at every corner. Plus, the vibe here is just so relaxed and laid back. The Museum Quarter. If you're an art lover, this is your haven. Not only do you have iconic museums like the Van Gogh Museum and the Rijksmuseum here, but the surrounding streets are also dotted with cafes, parks, and of course, those iconic Amsterdam Canal views. De Pijp, often dubbed as Amsterdam's Quartier Latin, De Pijp is a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and colors. From the bustling Albert Kuip Market to the tranquil Sarfata Park, there's a dynamic energy here that's infectious. And guess what? It's all best explored on foot. Oud West. For those seeking a blend of the old and the new, Oud West is your spot. It's got a mix of trendy cafes, vintage shops, and historic buildings. It's less touristy than some other areas, which means you get a more authentic Amsterdam experience. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel where you will find a whole host of interesting videos about Amsterdam. Discover hotels, accommodations, and the best attractions in Amsterdam right now at amsterdamhoteldeals.nl by clicking the link in the description below.